Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to embed system.io calendar on your website or funnel. So first of all you have to do is go to the system.io dashboard, and once you're signed in and in your dashboard, you have to click on this website and click on sales funnels. Click on it. Now from here you have to select your funnel. For example, I have only one funnel created. I will click on it. Now this page will open. From here what you have to do is click on add step, which is on the bottom left corner. Click on it and it will ask you for a name. You can name it as anything. For example, I will name it as calendar, and in the type section I will select squeeze page and click on save, and you'll be able to see your calendar on this side. Now on the second step you have to select your template. For example, you can preview any template. To select any template you have to click on select. For example, I will select this template, first one. Then what you have to do is click on edit page. A new page will open. From here what you can actually edit your page. Now on this page what you have to do is scroll down on this left section. Now you will see an option called row. What you have to do is drag and drop the row section onto your website. For example, if I drag and drop my row just right there, now I'll be able to see my row on this section. Now once you've dropped your row, now you have to select your calendar. So what you have to do is find calendar. For example, in the form section you will see calendar, and what you have to do is drag and drop your calendar to this row that you have just created. Now as you can see, my calendar has been added to my web page. I have some options. Step 1 is the set up your booking details, and then in step 2 it is fill in the form. Now to customize your calendar, what you have to do is click on your calendar. Once you click on it, you will see there will be some options, calendar and form. If you click on calendar, you can actually edit your calendar. For example, you can remove step 1. For example, I will name it as calendar booking. Now set up your booking details. I will leave it as it is. Now I will select this next step. For example, this is written as next step. What I will do, I will change the name to fill out the form. Now once the client has selected the date, he will click on fill out the form and he will be redirected to step 2, which is fill in the form. So I will go to the form and I can make some changes. For example, if I want to remove this phone button, I will just simply click on this delete icon. Now my client will only has to input his first name, last name and email address. You can also change the colors. For example, the main colors are this. For example, if I change it to red, the text color is now red, and I can add margins and etc. I can also select any other numbers. For example, I will select the form to green or red or purple or anything else I want. Once you're done, you have to click on save changes, which is on the top right corner, and that's basically how you can embed system.io calendar on your website. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.